Well, hi there, everybody, and good Thursday morning to meteorologist Travis Klineski here. A little patchy fog this morning. One thing that's not showing up on Futurecast, we have a couple of very isolated showers in northern Nebraska. In fact, one dinky one in southeast Nebraska as well. A cold front pushing through eastern Nebraska, leaving warmer temperatures behind here in Nebraska this morning. Southerly winds to start things off have kept those temperatures elevated. Quickly following that is a cold front that's entering the picture up in northwest Nebraska. That'll pass through towards the end of the afternoon. Behind it, the winds will change direction. So south and southeasterly winds, and it looks like I might have to redraw this cold front. It looks like the latest forecast models are slowing it down maybe an hour, but we'll probably pass through around supper time. And once that happens, the winds will die down around that front, which as it heats up today, it's going to be a hot day. Air is going to become rather stagnant, so it's going to be pretty uncomfortable later on today. Eventually, once that moves through, the winds will flip around out of the north. They'll pick back up a little bit later on tonight. Clear skies for the most part. We're not really expecting any kind of precipitation with this front coming through. As we look towards tomorrow, mostly sunny day, a cooler day, extra clouds rolling into the west and northwest as we get towards the end of the day tomorrow, ahead of our next chances of rain and thunderstorms, which we haven't had much lately. Those will move in Friday night into Saturday. Highs for today on the toasty side, upper 80s and low to mid 90s, perhaps upper 90s there in McCook. Tonight then dropping back into the upper 50s and low to mid 60s for overnight lows. Tomorrow's temperatures will be cooler, more comfortable, upper 70s and low to mid 80s, and more of the same it looks like as we get into your Saturday. And speaking of Saturday, well, the Storm Prediction Center does have a marginal risk of severe weather out for parts of the area here. To take a closer look here, you can see that we do have that across southern Nebraska, western Nebraska, northern Kansas. That might get adjusted as we get a little bit closer, but later Saturday, and especially Saturday night, I would at least look for a chance of some possible severe thunderstorms. The rest of that forecast here as we look down the road, rain chances again returning, a slight chance Friday night, late night into Saturday morning. And then again Saturday night, I think chances will pick back up a little bit, possibly lingering into very early Sunday, but mostly Saturday evening. Sunday mostly dry, a touch cooler. And then Sunday night into Monday, chances of rain and thunderstorms picking back up, especially on Monday. And we're going to see a little more heat build in again on your Monday as well, back into the 80s. And we'll keep those 80s around there for Tuesday and Wednesday. Tuesday, the first day of Husker harvest days. Slight chance of rain and thunderstorms Tuesday night and early on Wednesday. Wednesday, that's the 9/11, hard to believe, the 18th anniversary of September 11th, 2001, also known now around these parts as Patriots Day. So as you see that part of the forecast there. Another big thing going on this weekend, Husker football. And then we get to that forecast here in just a little bit. I skipped one graphic here, and that's our long-range forecast, which shows after today not quite as much heat and more seasonable temperature, really within a few degrees of our average high as we go through much of the rest of the forecast here. Loud on to Husker football. Of course, game day being Saturday. It's a 2:30 Central Time kickoff, 1:30 Mountain Time. And it might be a little wet for the game. Now, for tailgaters that are out early, 10 o'clock in the morning Central Time, 9 o'clock, there's going to be a lot of Husker fans here. Maybe you're heading that way as well. Our boss is heading out there. Big Red Invasion. Should be dry in the morning hours, but at kickoff there at 1:30 Mountain Time, a pretty good chance of rain and thunderstorms throughout the game, a decent chance throughout the game. And that could mean maybe lightning and possible lightning delays. So if you're watching the game on TV at home, don't be surprised if getting frustrated because the game keeps getting pushed back and back if there are storms in the area, something worth watching. So with that, I'm going to let you all go. Thank you all for watching on this Thursday morning. We'll see you all again on your Friday. Until then, take care. Enjoy your day. God bless.